smoking on the I've got 5 on it. Can we play you every week? I got 5 on it. Pack. Hold that, Crystal Palace. Hold that. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. And a Happy New Year. Hopefully you're all doing well. Back-to-back victories against Crystal Palace. We've got fans out here declaring their undying love for Calafiori. Sweet Prince. Stay safe out there, Sweet Prince. Zesty Mutants all over the globe. Zesty for a left back, stroke centre back who can't defend, but he's a pretty boy and they fancy him. He's got nice hair. Oh, he's got nice hair. Okay, mate. Yeah, very weird behavior. But there we go. Each their own. Smash the like button up. The 5 on it pack. Well, the 5 on it pack, I was looking pretty decent after about, what, 8 minutes or whatever it was we scored in. And then Bozo gene set in. Bozos. What was that first half about? What was our goalkeeper doing? What was William Saliba doing? And I've been saying this on this channel about that goalkeeper for about 4 weeks now. Getting way too cocky. Yeah, he made some great saves today. Yeah, let's not get it twisted. Yeah, he redeemed himself. However, what is he doing? Some of the passing he was doing, and I've been saying it, I've been calling it out for 4 or 5 games now. His passing, his antics, yeah, in and around that penalty box is always outside it when we have to, oh, let me stand over there. One day, yeah, watch, I'm telling you, I'm calling it right now. Yeah, and you know I'm ahead of the curve in it, yeah, because these people don't see it. And then it's like, why are you moaning? We won 5-1. Well, hold up a minute. When William Saliba or Gabriel Magalhaes put the ball in the back of our necks, our goalkeeper's gone gallivanting to the shops for milk. Yeah, they've turned around and put the ball in our necks. He ain't in the net, mate. Yeah, don't say I didn't tell you so, innit? Because at some point, under this manager, the way we play, at some point when our goalkeeper goes jogging out to the left or the right of his penalty box, yeah, they communicate, cool. But at some point, they're going to fuck up. Yeah, and that ball is going to be put straight in as an own goal into our net. Stop doing that. Real talk, stop doing that. Some of his passing today, shocking. The one where he played it to Thomas Partey, after Thomas Partey just made a foul and got lucky he didn't get booked. He literally passes Thomas Partey the ball as he's running 100 miles an hour back towards our own goal in our own penalty box. Unless his touch is immaculate, what are we doing here? Why are we doing this? Yeah, Timber in the first half, shocking. Our club captain, by the way. In fact, hold up. I'll get to the club captain in a minute. Yeah, Lewis Skelly. Well done to you, mate. Yeah, apart from trying to salsa dance with Mateta, what's that all about? Stay off Twitter, mate. They're turning you zesty. None of that shit, bruv. Number one, why is he marking Mateta? That's like me trying to mark Kenny Ken. Like, what are we doing here? Move. Just move out of the way, mate. Get out of the way. Like, do you see the one where he was blocking him? He couldn't even see the ball because Mateta's so wide, so tall, yeah, that he couldn't see over him or around him. Why are you marking the biggest player on the pitch from a corner? Where's our centre backs? Who's instructed this? Weird. Anyway, Gabriel Magalhaes, he was all right, but Lewis Skelly, he was all right. Gabriel got spun a couple of times. Wasn't one of his best games. I hit the crossbar. It wasn't one of his best games. But him and Skelly were our best 2 defenders. I thought Timber was pretty poor today. Yeah, Saliba was awful. Bozo moments left, right, and centre. I don't know if he went out and got pissed last night. I don't know if he, I don't know. I don't know if he was lunging and plunging until the early hours of the morning, but he weren't great at all today. And yeah, very, very shocking performance. Lewis Skelly and Gabriel. In fact, Lewis Skelly was our best defender today. Yeah, well done to him. I want to see him play a full 90 though. Yeah, but it is what it is. We've got a lot of games coming up. I understand a bit of rotation here and there, so on and so. I get it. But let's go into midfield. Thomas Partey weren't great either. Got better in the second half. First half, he was awful. He was absolutely shocking in that first half. Absolutely shocking. Yeah, second half, he got better. But again, when you're playing at right back one week and then centre mid the next, yeah, just play him in fucking midfield, mate, please, and put the midfield in that should be there. Declan Rice should be next to him. Come on, what are we doing? Yeah, instead, we had the German giraffe. The German giraffe. Yay. But Lee got a goal today. He was shit. Let's just be real with it. Yeah, that midfield stunk today. Second half, we did better. Yeah, but at the same time, yeah, that was not a great first half performance. In fact, it was anything but great. It was actually awful in the first half. Second half, we got better, but let's not pretend that they couldn't have got back in the game. Yeah, let's not pretend that. Yeah, they had a couple of good chances. Keeper made a great double save. Yeah, that if that was the other way round and it was Mateta heading the ball from a Sarr shot instead of the other way round, yeah, that would have been a goal. Yeah, they could have scored 3 or 4 goals today. They didn't, and that's why they're 15th in the league. We took our chances. We were clinical today. Yeah, we'll get to the forwards in a second. In fact, let's start with the captain. The captain. How did he complete the whole game? How? He's been awful. Yeah, I'll bet he came off the bench the other day and got a couple of assists. Yeah, okay, he was good in that game for 20 minutes when he came on, 30 minutes, whatever it was. Well done. Well done. What are we doing here? They'd subbed off their best 2 players at that point. One of them for an injury, Eze and Mateta. So what are we doing here? Today he was shit. Quite comfortably the worst player on the pitch. Let's just be real with it. Now, this guy should not be captain. The way he gets barged off the ball is embarrassing. Yeah, it's like, when you're at school, yeah, and you're in the last year of school, year 11, and you're playing with the year 8s football in the playground. Oh, can we join in? Yeah, you can join in. Yeah, move. That's exactly how our captain gets moved out of the way every time. Yeah, it's embarrassing. Anyway, let's go to the forward line. Gabriel Martinelli actually looked better on the right wing than the left wing. First half, again, shocking. Second half, actually thought he'd done all right. Yeah, I thought he'd done all right today. Yeah, the cross he put in for the 3rd goal, I know that was in the first half, but I actually thought that was one of his better performances this season. I know the bar's on the floor, and it is on the floor. Yeah, but that was one of his better performances. Star boy. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Star boy. This is what happens when you play a player week in, week out, week in, week out, week in, week out. At some point, they're going to get a fucking injury, mate. At some point, they're getting an injury. We were that shit the other day that we had to bring him on the pitch against Crystal Palace. And now he's done a hamstring. Oh dear. Well, let's hope he's back for the cup games. Let's hope he's back for Man United on the 12th. Let's hope he's back for the Newcastle game. Yeah, let's hope he's back for them. Because, yes, Gabby Jesus, well done to him. Man of the match, by the way. Yeah, man of the match. I don't know if he got man of the match. Well, it's player of the match. Well, it's now Prince of the match, isn't it? No, Prince of the match. Yeah, because this Cesty fan base love to call our players princes. Oh, stay safe, sweet prince. Sweet prince. Why are you gay? Who says I'm gay? You are gay. Anyway, he was brilliant. Yeah, he was the only player in the first half as well, by the way, that actually looked up for it. Yeah, the rest of them, like I say all the time, walked around like they were tranquilized. He actually looked very decent today. Yeah, and he was a little bit pissed that he didn't get down for his hat trick. Yeah, but at the same time, he's in fine form at the minute. 5 goals in 2 games. Cool. Play him again in the next game. Yeah, he looked lively. He looked strong. Yeah, he weren't tripping over the ball so much today. Yeah, he could have had a couple more goals. So yeah, fair play to him. He's actually earned his 265 grand this week. Substitutes. Ah, dear, oh dear. Substitutes. Mikel Merino. Somebody tell me what this guy does. Please tell me what he does. Somebody tell me what this guy does. This guy is a scrub, and he's no good, bruv. And I keep telling you. And at some point, you will listen. But obviously not today, because we've won. And it masks over any bad performances, doesn't it? Just be happy we won the game. Just be happy. Just be happy, guys. We won the game. I am happy we won the game. However, yeah, there were some shocking performances in that pitch today. Yeah. Leandro Trossard, bruv, you are definitely Arteta out. And if you're not, then you can leave. Like, real talk. If you're not Arteta out, what do you do? What happened to you, bro? The talent killer killed you? Like, what we doing here? Like, he was pretty fucking average when he came on. Had some nice little turns and flicks. Yeah, he set up the shot that Jesus had that was parried, and then it came back out, and Martinelli scored. Yeah, blah blah blah. But at the same time, he's been pretty shit for a minute. I can't lie. Calafiori, the Sweet Prince, according to this Zesty fan base, the Sweet Prince. Yeah, this guy stinks, bruv. But he got an assist. He got an assist. And what? This guy can't defend. This guy cannot defend at left back. He can't defend at centre back. Ship him back to Italy, please. Get rid. He's not good enough, mate. Ethan got pity minutes, 4 minutes plus stoppage time. Didn't really do anything. And Declan Rice. No decline Rice today, my friend. No decline Rice. That shot was Jollof Rice settings, bro. Bosh. Big up to Jollof Rice. He's back again, bruv. He's gone to Jollof, bruv. Yeah, well done to him. He actually played really well when he came on, and absolutely made our midfield look so much better. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully they don't eat too much fucking turkey, bruv, and hopefully we come out on the 27th and go and win, because there's going to be some iffy results over the Christmas and New Year period. There always is. Hopefully we're not involved in them. But listen, bless up to everyone who's locked in. Kenny's outside the ground. Jez, then Matt. Then I'm back on here in 40 minutes with a quick, short little emergency meeting. But yeah, weren't the greatest performance, but we spread the goals around, and that's a promising thing, because Bukayo Saka is going to be out for a while. Yeah, and it's been Bukayo Saka and hope. So let's see where we go from here, innit? And oh, don't forget, guys, they'll all be down the lane tomorrow. They'll all be supporting Tottenham tomorrow. Just saying. Anyway, smash the like button, sub to the channel. Less than 350 away from 109k. Let's see if we can get 110 by the turkey, bruv. Let's see if we can get 110. Or in fact, by New Year's Eve, 110. Come on, guys. Let's fucking go, guys. Cronky out.